A UK police force has backed down and announced it is scrapping its so-called hate crime awareness courses following backlash over the arrest of a British ex-serviceman, Sky News host Rowan Dean says. Last week a British ex-serviceman was threatened and harassed by the British police for reposting an anti-transgender meme on Twitter, Mr. Dean said. Mr. Dean said Reclaim Party leader Laurence Fox and the party's chairman Harry Miller attended the scene in defense of the Army veteran. Harry was arrested, and then released, he said. The police, realizing they had gone too far, backed down. And only a few hours ago the Hampshire police force backed down and announced they were cancelling their so-called hate crime awareness courses. Mr. Dean discussed the issue with Mr. Fox and Mr. Miller,